Hi guys, in this video we will see how to save any reels and view saved reels on your Facebook app. If you want to save any reel and view saved reels, then here are the process. Launch Facebook and go to reels and go to the reels which you want to save. Simply click on three horizontal dot against the reel and here choose save reel. Click on save reel. Now your reel saved to your reel profiles. So here go to simply your profile icon on the same reel page and click on your profile icon, and here you will find your library where you can see saved, liked, shared, watched and your reels. So you can easily find out your saved reel in your library and you can go through your profile icon just beside the reel. That's all.